nicely. So let's do our check here. It's pretty flat.
How are you supposed to check again?
Well, Allison, sure, you go ahead and try it. I have a flat part of this right here, say. So you take it and take your finger.
Okay, that's what I try to do.
Very lightly. Yeah, like this.
Oh, on the bottom?
Yeah, on the bottom. And I don't press too hard. Like, to me, if I were to press hard, I would really flatten it. But what I want to see, if it's wobbling, what I'm looking for is something like this. Try that read.
This one?
Yeah.
What are you supposed to look for?
A real movement. Like, you see this space here changing on the side?
Yeah.
That means that it's not flat. Yours has a little bit, but it's not tons.
Yeah.
So that's the first test, is just to check if the back is flat. Because if the back is not flat, when you put it against the mouthpiece, it's going to leak. That's what the first test. Second thing is we test the tip out here, both with your finger and then also with blowing on it. And the finger does not always, after a while you develop the experience to know what it feels like, harder or softer on one side or the other, but it's not as reliable as actually playing it. So it's feeling actually pretty decent to me, but put it on, and we're just going to do a quick test on it. This little guy, we take it sideways on each side. So close off one side of the reed, tilt it a lot. And blow a strong air into it. So what we're trying, this is called response. How the reed responds when you blow air against it. How does it react? And it's either harder or softer. Sometimes it'll squawk. We want to know what the point is at which we can get that optimal vibration. So it's just sound. What I would do, actually, if it's a new reed, how long have you played on it? Is it brand new?
Maybe it's a couple days. Today's like the first time I've played a lot on it.
Okay, so that was my point. Is you want to break these in by playing a minute or two each one, not more. And sometimes if you overplay a new reed, it will just die on you right away. So space out the amount of time. You might have put like too much time in the beginning on it. If you played like a half hour every day on it, and it's new, that might be too much, actually.
Yeah, I didn't do that. Probably like 5 minutes or so with it.
Okay. So I keep switching out. When they start to lose their bright yellow color, then they've sort of settled into what they're going to be, and then we can start to see sanding them down a little bit. Okay. All right, so we do your Artie Shaw?
Yeah.